Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Most of the third-party software that you have on your computer can access the internet. If you want to prevent automatic updates of a particular app or block ads on an app, or if the application do not rely on internet connectivity, you can easily block a program from accessing the internet. Today we are taking a look at how to block a program from accessing the internet using the built-in firewall in Windows. So let's get started. First, you need to right click on Start, then go to Control Panel, and here the Control Panel page will open, and after that you have to click on System and Securities. From here you will find Windows Firewall. Click on this. Otherwise you need to just go back, and if you select large icon from this category, you will directly find the Windows Firewall options. Click on this. So, and from the left hand side you will find Advanced Settings. Once you click on this, Windows Firewall and Advanced Security page will open. So there is another way you can directly open this page. So for that you just type WF. W stands for Windows, F stands for firewall.msc, and just press on enter. So it will directly open Windows Firewall and Advanced Security page. Okay, a firewall not only protects you from a malware and other security threats, but can also be configured to block apps from accessing the internet. Okay, so in the left hand side you will find outbound rules. Click on the outbound rules. This displays all the existing outbound firewall rules in the middle pane. Okay, in the right pane you will find new rule. To create a new rule for outbound traffic. Outbound rules means here you can restrict internet access for a particular app. Okay, so now from this page, what type of rule would you like to create? If you want to block some program, you can select program, otherwise you can block port and other things. So in this case I am going to block some particular program, so I need to select program, then click on next. Okay, so here in this page, does this rule apply to all programs or a specific program? So I need to block a specific program, so make sure you have to select these program paths. So now you have to browse these programs that you want to block. So for that you need to browse this. Generally we have installed all our programs in our C drives. So from the C drives you have to select. Just click on local disk C, and then click on program files, and from here you have to select the program. Suppose this is the C cleaners. I need to block this program to connect to the internet. So for that double click on C cleaner, and from here you have to just select the C cleaner 64-bit. I am using 64-bit, that's why I am select C cleaner 64, and then click on open. So now you will find full path name is showing over here. Then you have to just click on next, and from here what action should be taken when a connection matches the specific condition. So in that case I need to block the program, so make sure block the connection is selected. After that click on next, and now when does this rule apply? So make sure all these domain, private and public boxes are checked, then click on next. So the final step is to name your rule. Give it a simple name that you will recognize later on. Okay, so suppose I am going to name it block C cleaner. Okay, so if you want you can write some description also, otherwise just click on finish. You should now see the new rule you created under outbound rules. Here block C cleaner. If you want to tweak and define the rules, you can double click on the entry and make adjustment accordingly, like adding local programming service, remote computer. From here you can authorize computer, only allow connection to these computers. You can set the specific computers names. so. Now here you will find block C cleaner. That means all outbound communication from this application is now cut off. Now let's check whether it is disconnected from the internet or not. For that I have to open my C cleaner, double click on this, and now how we will check, in the bottom right hand side you will find check your updates. So just click on this. Now you will find C cleaner could not be updated. Connection with the server could not be established. That means its connection is disconnected from the internet. Okay, I have to just click on cancel now. So now I have to revoke this outbound rules. For that now I have to open my Windows Firewall and Advanced Security page. From here, if you want to double click on this, here you will find allow this connection. Just select this, click on apply and OK. Now minimize this page and once again open C cleaner, and now once again you have to click on, just close this. I have to open C cleaner once again. Now check for update, click on this. Now here you will find you are using version auto. Congratulations, this is the very latest version. That means now this C cleaner is directly connected to the internet. Okay, so this is how you can block any of the application to connecting to the internet. Similar way, if you want to block my Chrome browser to connect to the internet, what I will do the same way. Now I am going to show you to block Google Chrome browser. So for that I have to click once again, click on new rule and then select the program, click on next, and now you have to select the complete path of this program. So click on browse, and generally we have installed in C drive, and under program files you will find Google. Under this you will find Chrome, and here you will find applications. Okay, so these are the Chrome application file. You have to select it, just click on open. Now the full path will display over here. Now you have to just click on next. Make sure this block the connection is selected and click on next, and from here also make sure all the connections are checked and click on next. Now you have to name it. I'm going to name it block Chrome. If you want, you can add some description, otherwise just click on finish. Here you should now see the new rule you created under outbound rules. Okay, block Chrome. So now I'm just going to minimize this page and I'm going to open my Chrome browser, and I need to browse something. See, connection to the internet, you are offline. Okay, suppose I'm going to open Google. Now you will find this site can't be reached. That means you can't browse anything from this Chrome browsers. That means internet is disconnected from this browser through the outbound rules of Windows built-in firewall options. So now once again I have to just revoke this. So for that you have to just double click on this. From the action area you have to just select allow the connections and then click on apply and OK. Now check. I have to just minimize this page and once again need to check. Now I have to just refresh this page. Now you will find Google page will open. In the same way YouTube is also open. So this is how you can block and unblock an application from accessing the internet with the Windows Firewall. That's it. Hope this video will help you. If you really like this video, please do like, subscribe and share it with others, and of course press the bell icon to get new video update. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.